Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Cooking for Body and Soul. Today's recipe is chicken burgers. Chicken burgers are everyone's favorite, and today on camera is my beautiful niece making these yummy burgers for you. Before we move on, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, and do like, comment and share my recipes. All the ingredients are listed here and also in the description box. Let's start by making the patties for our burgers. For this you will need 1 kg minced chicken, 3 onions thinly sliced, 2 to 3 green chilies finely chopped, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, quarter cup of mint leaves, quarter cup of coriander leaves, and spice powders, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon of mustard powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, and salt as per taste. 1 egg, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil, and juice of 1 lime. To a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once it turns hot, add in the onions. We are going to lightly cook the onions till they turn light pink in color. Our onions are done. Now we'll grind everything together. You can also use a mixer jar. Add the cooked onions, ginger garlic paste, green chilies, mint leaves and coriander leaves, all the spice powders, lime juice, 2 teaspoons of oil, breadcrumbs, grind this once, and now add in 1 egg and the minced chicken. Now grind this again till everything is well combined. Now transfer this to a bowl. Apply some oil on your palms and shape them into patties like this. So our patty is done. Now add 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil to a pan and fry the patties on both sides till they are done. And turn off the flame and cover the patty with cheese slice. And set this aside. Now to a pan add 1 teaspoon of butter and toast the burger buns lightly on both the sides. Now let's assemble the burger. For this you will need patty with cheese, burger buns, few cabbage leaves, onion rings and few tomatoes, mayonnaise, spicy garlic sauce. I have already uploaded the recipe for spicy garlic sauce. Click this link for the recipe. We'll start by spreading some mayonnaise on the burger bun, like this. And then add the cabbage, onions, few tomatoes, and now place the chicken patty with cheese and top it with spicy garlic sauce. You can also use tomato ketchup instead. And with this, our yummy burgers are done. These burgers look so delicious and so tempting. So what are you waiting for? Do give this recipe a try. I'm sure you're going to love this. These homemade burgers are super juicy and mouth-watering, and they are better than the ones from the restaurants. With this recipe, you can actually make 10 to 12 burgers. Do follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are provided in the description box. If you like this recipe, do give a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. And if you're new on my channel, I humbly request you to kindly subscribe to my channel. And thank you for all the love and support. Happy cooking!